The future of digital marketing AI-powered tools by Onpassive. The world of digital marketing is constantly changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one such technology. AI tools offer powerful ways to automate, analyze, and optimize marketing campaigns. This is where Onpassive comes in. Onpassive provides a suite of AI-powered tools designed to simplify digital marketing. These tools empower businesses of all sizes to succeed in the digital age. With Onpassive, the future of digital marketing is within everyone's reach. Before we dive in, please do me a favor and subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. Meet Ash Mufareh, the visionary behind Onpassive. Ash Mufareh is a successful entrepreneur and technology enthusiast. He is the founder and CEO of Onpassive. His vision was to create a platform that leverages the power of AI to level the playing field in digital marketing. Ash believes that everyone, regardless of their technical expertise, should have access to cutting-edge marketing tools. Ash's leadership and innovative thinking are at the heart of Onpassive. He is passionate about empowering others to achieve success. His vision has inspired a global community of entrepreneurs and business owners. Under Ash's guidance, Onpassive is changing the way we approach digital marketing. His commitment to ethical AI development is a cornerstone of Onpassive's philosophy. Ash envisions a future where AI is used to benefit humanity. He believes in using AI to create a more equitable and prosperous world. Onpassive's AI Toolbox, a glimpse into the future of marketing. Onpassive offers AI-powered tools to transform your marketing. These tools cover every aspect of digital marketing. They streamline your workflows. OMail improves deliverability and engagement. OTracker provides deep insights into user behavior. Optimize your website for better conversions. Onpassive's tools address specific marketing needs. Manage your entire strategy from one place. Section 4. Empowering beginners. How Onpassive makes AI accessible. Onpassive's AI tools are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Even if you're new to digital marketing, you can easily navigate the platform. The intuitive interface guides you through every step of the process. Onpassive's tools eliminate the learning curve often associated with complex marketing software. Onpassive provides comprehensive training and support materials. These resources empower users to make the most of the platform's capabilities. Whether you prefer video tutorials, webinars, or written guides, Onpassive has you covered. Onpassive fosters a supportive community where users can connect with each other. This collaborative environment allows beginners to learn from more experienced marketers. It's a space where you can ask questions, share insights, and grow your knowledge. Section 5. Transforming marketing, the benefits of Onpassive's AI tools. The benefits of using Onpassive's AI tools are numerous. These tools automate repetitive tasks. This frees up your time so you can focus on more strategic initiatives. Imagine no longer having to spend hours on mundane tasks like email list segmentation or social media scheduling. Onpassive's AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights. These insights help you make informed decisions about your marketing campaigns. This data-driven approach leads to more effective marketing strategies and higher ROI. Onpassive's tools are constantly learning and improving. This means that your marketing campaigns will become more effective over time. As the AI algorithms gather more data, they become better at predicting customer behavior and optimizing your marketing efforts. Section 6. The future is intelligent. Onpassive leads the way. Onpassive is at the forefront of the AI revolution in digital marketing. The company is constantly innovating and developing new tools to meet the evolving needs of marketers. This forward-thinking approach ensures that Onpassive remains a leader in the industry. By making AI accessible to businesses of all sizes, Onpassive is democratizing digital marketing. The company is creating a more level playing field where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. The future of digital marketing belongs to those who embrace AI. With Onpassive, businesses can harness the power of AI to achieve their marketing goals and thrive in the digital age. This is an exciting time for the world of marketing. Onpassive is leading the charge towards a more intelligent and effective future. For more information about Onpassive and how to get started, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.